Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Yerba Mate Instant Tea Powder from Yerba Magic. So as you can see, we have it here on Amazon. Now, as you can see, it is the best seller in mate tea. So traditionally, if you know Yerba Mate, you would need a gourd to drink Yerba Mate, and the process of making Yerba Mate in that gourd would be kind of tedious and a hassle to make, since you would need to part the Yerba Mate from side to side. So you part it on one side and then you fill the other side with hot tea and you drink it slowly over time, since you would need to steep it first. And this Yerba Mate instant tea powder eliminates the process of doing all that, and since you can just pour it in hot water just like tea and drink it straight from your mug. So as you can see, it is the #1 seller, maybe that's why, and they are rated 4.0 out of 5 stars. So let's actually go down here, see the reviews. As you can see, I was curious, blah blah blah, metabolic review, part of daily ritual, listen to your body, given the price they could supply more of the tea powder, quality product, love love love, but y'all need more stock, worth it, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, and a lot more. So this tea, considering the price, it's not available currently, since like what this other person said in the reviews, they need more stock on this one. So basically, since it's the #1 seller, it's out of stock, and a lot of people are saying that it's really good. Even this one, I've read the reviews, it is really good also. It is very healthy, although it is not it is close to the original Yerba Mate, but not exactly the same. So if you want a fast, clean solution without the hassle of making Yerba Mate, you should try this out. So yeah, this is the legit product. It is not a scam. So if you want to go ahead and try it, go. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.